Are you looking for a three-family home in Passaic County, New Jersey? Well, if you are, you're going to want to check out this one at 79 Struyk Avenue in Prospect Park, New Jersey. It's a gorgeous, huge three-family home, perfect for an investment, to collect rental income, or to live in one of the units and rent out the others and have some of your mortgage paid for. So this home is ideal because it's move-in ready and it's vacant. So if you are an investor or you are an owner occupant looking for a multifamily home, make sure you take a look at this three family. It's beautiful. Let's go take the tour. Okay, so here is the outside of this three-family home. One of the things I want to point out to you is you do have views of New York City from here because it's on top of the hill. So it's something really to make this home even a little more special. So this home is a three-family home. You have a nice driveway here that you can park your vehicles. I'm going to take a look at the backyard this way. So you have a nice backyard for barbecues. And it's ready to move in here. So the layout of this home, you have a 2-bedroom studio apartment there. And then upstairs, you have the biggest unit, which is 3 bedrooms. And then in the front of the home, which is right here, you're going to have a 1-bedroom move-in ready apartment. So let's go take a look inside. So this is unit number 1. Have a nice size living room area, plus like a inside porch, white kitchen with nice backsplash, white appliances. It's really move-in ready. 1 bedroom here with closet, ceiling fan. Here is the bathroom. With the tiled nice shower, ready to move in. Now we are in the 2nd floor apartment, which is the biggest unit. I love these tray ceilings, really beautifully done and great detail. So this is a very large living room and dining area. You have 1 bedroom here. This is the 2nd bedroom. And this is the 3rd bedroom. Here you have the bathroom. And then it walks into the kitchen with an island. And I love this feature as well. It's a walk-in pantry. Really great for storage. So this is your back entrance, which will take you to your back deck and fire escape here. And then this also has a view of the yard. Now in the front of this unit, there is a indoor porch, which could be an excellent home office or guest bedroom. Vacant and ready to move in. So another exciting feature is the unfinished attic here that could be finished very easily. You can make an awesome bedroom up here This could be really anything, but it's completely unfinished and ready to be completed. Now we are in the 2-bedroom studio apartment. So here you have your kitchen, eating area, and then a front porch, which could be your living space. And then bedroom 1, or it could be a living room. This really nice detail here. And then this is another bedroom and bathroom. New vanity. Vacant and ready to move in. Thank you so much for coming on the tour with me of this beautiful 3-family home in Passaic County, New Jersey. If you want more information about it, please send me a DM. It's fully vacant. It's ready to move in, and it's ready for you. If you want to be an investor, rent out the whole thing, live in 1 unit, have family live in all 3 units. It has so much opportunity here. Plus it has parking, which is such an ideal feature. If you have any questions, please let me know. This is Jocelyn from the Jocelyn Russo Group. Remember to share this video with a friend or family member that you know that's looking for a home in New Jersey, specifically multifamily, and make sure you give it a like, a heart, thumbs up, and ring that notification bell so you don't miss any other videos and more properties that we have coming on the market. Again, this is Jocelyn from the Jocelyn Russo Group. Remember, who you work with matters. Have a great day.